Hi everybody, I'm Tahreen and today we are back with talking about more devices. এখানে আমাদের সাথে আছে Wacom One small যেটা, and this is a really basic graphic tablet and it's really great for beginners. এটার model হচ্ছে 472 and the active areas that we can be working on is 6 into 3.7 inches, which makes it pretty feasible for those of you who are beginning to illustrate or do digital art or even edit your photos online.
Multimedia Kingdom.
So Wacom One খুব বেসিক একটা ডিভাইস. So আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে এটা অনেক ছোট. So it's a really small device which makes it more feasible to carry around. এটার model name CTL472 and এটা in size এটা 6 inches by 3.7 inches. So it makes it really nice to carry around. So now we're going to open it and see what's inside. So as we open it, we see that box ta khubi basic ekta box and bhitore device ta onek sundor bhabe it's inside. So as we open the box, we see the things that come with the device. Look at the size of this, it's so small. Our pichone the color is amazing. Ekhane amar mone hoy je this can be personalized. Amra stickers etc. nijer naam sob kichu diye eta decorate korte pari, which makes it really nice. এটা হচ্ছে আপনার মেইন যে ডিভাইসটা. সো আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এটার সাথে কোনো এক্সট্রা স্ক্রিন নেই. সো এটা ডিরেক্টলি আমরা পোর্ট করব আমাদের ডেস্কটপ বা ল্যাপটপের সাথে. এইটার মোবাইল ডিভাইসেসের সাথে কানেক্টিভিটিটা নাই, বাট আই থিঙ্ক দ্যাটস নট আ প্রবলেম বিকজ আমরা মোরলেস সবাই ল্যাপটপস আর ডেস্কটপস ইউজ করি. সো ইট শুডন্ট বি আ প্রবলেম. Apart from the main device, আমাদেরকে আরো provide করা হচ্ছে the USB cable through which we will connect the device to our computers or whatever. And then now we see the pen. So as you can see, the pen is really it's nice to hold and it has an easy grip. So আমাদের এটা use করা বা drawing with it will be very easy, and the pen pressure is 2048, which makes it a pretty nice pen for a very basic graphics tablet. So I highly recommend this jara ekdom beginners level they want to use a device or they want digital art in general, or perhaps even if you want to edit photos or other things in your computer. I think this is a really great tablet. Plus I really like the color of the tablet as well. So there's that. You can avail this device from the website of Multimedia Kingdom, যেখানে তোমরা দুইটা অফার পাবা, একটা হচ্ছে pre-order আর একটা হচ্ছে ready stock থেকে নেওয়া. I highly recommend pre-order থেকে নেওয়া because as you know that there are more artists in the scene who are trying to purchase more devices. So you might not get the device in the stock as ready as you want it, but pre-ordered there perhaps you might be getting a few discounts as well. So I feel pre-orders are more feasible, but at the same time if you are in an urgency and তুমি ready stock থেকে device দেখে কিনতে চাচ্ছ, that's also possible. So for that please visit Multimedia Kingdom's website and you can see the different deals that comes with this device. So down below you will find the links of Multimedia Kingdom's social media pages and links, and আমাদের সাথে Facebook, Instagram etc. তে তোমরা connected থাকলে you will get to know more about the devices that we have, and we will discuss more devices and help you choose which device is more proper for you. And along with that, please তোমরা তোমাদের comments, তোমাদের suggestions বা তোমাদের কোনো questions থাকলে অবশ্যই comment করবে and let us know how we can help you and how we can improve better. So thank you so much for staying with us today, and till next time.